All right, I have a couple of unboxings. The first one is from Tabitha's Glass Emporium. It arrived a little crushed, but it'll be fine, I'm sure, because stuff's always packed really well. But the first unboxing, and then we'll get to Tabitha's stuff, is from a new company that I found called Arbor Made. Arbormade.co, not .com, .co. And it's a candle company. Now, you know that I love to do jar toppers. You've seen a couple of my other videos, and I've always thought it would be fun to do jar toppers for candles, but the problem is these candles, you throw them away when you're done with them, right? As a matter of fact, according to Arbor Made, there are 1 billion candles a year that are thrown away, single-use candles. So what I found that I liked about the idea of Arbor Made, and full disclosure, they sent me this kit for free. And they do have an affiliate program through YouTube. So if you buy through YouTube here in the link, in the tagged video, then I get a little commission, which is always nice. But I'm eager to play with these. And so let me take a look. So Arbor Made is the first reusable candle. And I just think that that's super cool. So let's see here if you can see this. You insert a refill into the candle base, you can burn it, and then it pops out once it's done. And what I thought was so cool about this, I mean, this is not inexpensive. This is their starter kit. And so this has 3 candles in it. But I thought this would make a really nice gift. So if there's somebody that you really are close to and you want to give them a glassy gift, maybe they like candles, this could be an option. I'm not sure if you would buy and make these for markets, but I think it would be a really nice, thoughtful gift. So what I was hoping, so it's a nice kind of fashionable white candle, goes with a lot of decor. But what I was hoping was that this lid was sturdy enough to add glass to, and I think it is. Now you're gonna have to do an opaque design because of their logo on here, but imagine setting a design in here, and then here is the candle. You can't smell anything, but that smells really nice. So the idea here is that it pops out. Do you see this? Look at this, it's got a flexible bottom, and when you've burned your candle down, you can pop that out and put a new one in. So not only do they sell the candle itself, but then there are refills. Oh, this one, sorry, there's not 3 in here, there's 2. They've already put this one in because this box is empty. Spiced Timber is this first one, and Vanilla Colada is the second. Oh, that one smells really nice. I wish you could smell these things. So isn't that cool? It's a small business. The candles are all hand poured in Michigan. It's a US company. And I just think the concept is super cool and very unique. And so if you've got a candle lover in your life, this might be a really nice gift. So stay tuned for a future video. I know I'm gonna make something to put in here as a decor piece. And then I think that is a really nice, thoughtful gift. And there you go, Arbor Made. Again, if you buy through YouTube here, I appreciate that because I get a little commission. But let's see what they talk about on here. It's a reusable jar, 100% soy wax. It's non-toxic, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. They donate to charity with every candle that's sold. I just think it's really cool. It's all ecological packaging here. And so what a cool idea, and look for that in a future video. But if you're interested, it was very sweet of them to send me this package. If you're interested in checking them out, I would certainly appreciate you using my YouTube link here. As you can see in the video, I've tagged them. All right, on to Tabitha's Glass Emporium. Tabitha recently came off of doing one of her famous free worldwide shipping. I ordered this and I got it within about 2 weeks here in the United States, so relatively quick, and thought I would just start to do the unboxing here and show you what I got. Let me grab a knife. All right, in this first package we have a jungle mix. So let me show you what the jungle mix looks like. You know I love Tabitha's Glass Emporium. Look at that. Got a lot of fun things here. Look at that parrot. And of course the florals. This I know is the wing of a butterfly. You've got a toucan. Awesome, awesome florals. Another parrot there. small parrots. That little green guy's fun. So just a variety here in a jungle mix, variety of sizes. Next up, I have, this is just a whole bunch of kind of seasonal mix here for the holidays. Tabitha, if you follow her, has been coming out with lots of holiday designs. There's hats in here, there's mittens, there's a package, a present, candy canes. My goodness, there's small packages, there's bigger packages. There's an elf, or little Santa's little helper. There's a nutcracker. Lots of fun stuff in the holiday mix here. I think there's also, I just saw it. Yeah, there's that's a glow dot that you can glow. I think these are some lights. So lots of fun stuff there. It's warm outside and the fan is running, so sorry if there's noise in the background. This one is wheat. I saw these and just thought it was super cool. I love her plant life that she does, and I thought these wheat shafts were really cool. Next up, I've got a Halloween mix. It's almost October here in the States, and so this is perfect. Love these bones, the pumpkins, the jack-o'-lanterns, an owl. You've got bats, spiders. How much fun is that? Look at that skull. That's cool. Ghost. There's a little Day of the Dead skull. So fun Halloween mix there. Lots of ideas for those. Some cases I've forgotten what I bought. I think this one, what is it? Wreaths. So these are Christmas wreaths. Yes, I forgot about these. Aren't those cool? Christmas wreaths. Love that. Let's see what I got here. Oh, mittens. So that was a wintry mix that I showed you earlier. This is just the mittens. I just thought these were really, really cute. Isn't that awesome? I don't know exactly how I'm going to use these, but man, they're cute. Let's see what's in here. See, I just forget. I've got a packing slip right here, but that's not fun. What the fun is in the opening here and being surprised together. I haven't been doing much glass again lately. Some of you know that I had carpal tunnel surgery on my right wrist about a month or more ago. Now I had it on my left wrist. I'm still bruised and it still kind of hurts, so I'm not doing much glass, but I'll be out there again soon. Oh yes, pears. I ordered these pears. Let's see. She has a bunch of fruit, and I ordered a whole bunch of fruit before, but I didn't get pears. These are brand new, and there's some stems in there. So I'm not going to open this. Excuse me for the hiccups all of a sudden. But those are really cool. And then on to, you all know that I love the confetti. Love the confetti. What do I do with this? Well, just about anything, honestly, but I love firing it into a solid piece of glass patty when I got a full fuse going in, and then breaking it up, using it as a frit blend, or using it in something like casting molds, like the heart molds that are so popular, my paw prints that I love. So this is red and spruce green. I thought that was very Christmassy, and I don't know exactly how I'm going to use it, but I knew I needed it. Here is more confetti. I would love to hear how you use your Tabitha confetti. So if you've got any ideas for that, please drop your ideas in the chat and tell me what you do with it. But I love it in casting molds because it just gives such a unique look. This is a green garden mix, so some blues and greens in here. Called it a garden mix. I think that's great. And then the last one, I ordered a lot of this one. If I remember correctly, this was an autumn mix, I think, which I always find to be really, really pretty. And so I ordered quite a bit of this one. Let's get this opened. Yes, exactly. Lush Autumn. Check that out. Look at that cute bear. But check out the amazing yellows, reds, oranges. Lush Autumn is an apt name for that, Tabitha and team. Good job. So there you go. I have quite a haul here from Tabitha. Please make sure you're checking her out at tabithasglassemporium.com. If you missed the big news, Tabitha's coming to Vegas for the big glass expo in April, and so am I. And our booths are right across from each other, so we're going to have a good time. I just know it. Thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel so you make sure you catch future videos. I will be making a candle, and so you'll see that at some point in the future. And then any of this product that came from Tabitha can make its way into any of my videos. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel to catch them when they come out. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.